Hello and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about eating fruit and vegetable. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. Don't worry, just speak clearly and try your best. Are you ready?
Yes,
Let's begin. Do you eat fruit and vegetable?
yes, I eat fruit and vegetable.
How often do you eat fruit?
I eat fruit every day.
How often do you eat vegetable?
I usually eat vegetable.
What fruit do you like to eat?
I like to eat apple and orange.
What vegetable do you like to eat?
I like to eat salad.
When do you usually eat fruit?
I usually eat fruit in the afternoon.
When do you usually eat vegetable?
I sometimes eat vegetable at dinner.
Who prepare fruit and vegetable for you?
My grandma prepare food and vegetable for me.
Do you like eating fruit and vegetable?
Yes, I like eating fruit and vegetable.
Why is it good to eat fruit and vegetable?
It is good to eat vegetable and fruit because they make me healthy and strong.
Excellent work. You did very well today. Thank you for your answer and your efforts. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and eat healthy every day.